Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this beautiful moon and star decoration for Eid. It's really simple to make and would make a perfect Eid decoration. So we're going to go ahead and start with cutting our moon sample. I basically just printed out a moon the size of an A3 paper. Next we'll need some cardboard. So now I'm just going to go ahead and trace my moon onto the cardboard because we're going to cut it out after. Just be very careful when you're tracing so your moon doesn't move. So after we've cut out our moon, we need some glitter foam paper and scissors, our sample and a marker. I'm going to trace around the moon and we're going to cut it out after. So the next step is basically to glue on our glitter foam onto the cardboard. So here I'm using white glue, but this will take a long time to dry, so a glue gun would be a better option. So next we need some sort of shape looking like this, or you guys can use a hula hoop. This will look amazing, but then your moon has to be really big. So I'm basically dragging the tinsel in through and out to make it go around the shape. So now I'm just going to apply some glue onto the back of the moon using my glue gun and then stick it on. It sticks on right away. So next we need a star sample that we're going to trace on our glitter foam. You guys can use silver glitter foam or gold just to get a little bit of a nice kind of different colored stars around. And if you don't have access to the glitter foam, you guys can just use normal glitter and just glue the glitter on top. And go ahead and repeat the process for as many stars as you wish. So next we're going to be using this see-through string to attach the stars on. I'm going to attach one star in between the moon and the rest at the bottom. And that's my cat again. Now we have to measure the string, so we make sure that the stars are in a really nice pattern. So one short one, one medium-sized one, and one long one. So there we go guys, all the stars are attached and I hope you enjoyed this craft for Eid. I absolutely loved making it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it and hopefully you guys will make it as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And thank you for those who already did. Okay guys, so I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely Eid. Eid Mubarak to you all. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye guys.